cielo kwamayong tayo itayo tateyayo nawa cielo hey 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 ate waziata nawa cielo kwamayong tayo itayo tateyayo nawa cielo ate wayo heya pata nawa cielo kwamayang kayo hitayo tateyayo nawa cielo hey highway hey highway ate ito kagata nawa cielo kwamayang kayo itayo tateyayo nawa cielo hey highway hey highway. Welcome. As I call in the directions of the Vision Quest song, I am on a journey, and you could say a quest for a vision, a deepening of my connection with my source, which is also your source, which is all source, is oneness. God, Goddess, Creator, Spirit, love. I'm on the journey, and I thank you for witnessing my ceremony today here in Ottawa, Illinois, on the Illinois River behind me. I love this water. This water is me, this water is you. I invite you to love your water. I invite you to be curious about who you are and why you are here, because you are here for a specific purpose and reason, or maybe a general purpose and reason. And it is known by you, your source energy, the part of you that is eternal. It is known already why you are here, what you are to do. It is my experience from my journeys that when I get out of the way, when I move out of the way and allow Source to flow and show me the way, it happens. Not only does it happen, miracles happen. Beauty opens up before me. When I am out of balance, when I am hurting, when I am grieving, when I am sad, when I am in a discord with my higher self, with God, Creator, Source, when I am in a discord with my true self, that's when everything falls apart. When things fall apart. When things are falling apart, I know I'm not aligned to who I truly am. As I journey across our home, our heartland here in Illinois, as I journey into and towards and away from and around all the waters, I'm coming home to myself. I am understanding my passion to love the water, my passion to bring the message to you, my passion to make a difference by creating these videos through my journey to hopefully give you a look and a glimpse into a different perspective on life. It's a perspective I'm learning about myself. So you, in effect, are witnessing my process as I evolve into my passion, which is at the moment following the waterways blessing the waters, learning how to love myself, to care for myself, to forgive myself, and live from source. My source, your source, all creator. And I invite you to check in with yourself and see how that might be for you. Janie King here on my water blessing walk. And my YouTube channel is New Earth Lifestyles. And I hope that you continue to follow me, and you can subscribe to New Earth Lifestyles. There is a subscription button somewhere down below the video on YouTube, not on Facebook or email. And I would love it if you could follow me by YouTube, because I have a lot more videos posted on YouTube than I am sending out or posting on Facebook, because I don't want to overkill it, but yet I want to track my journey, and it's being tracked on my YouTube channel, New Earth Lifestyles. Until next time, I am inviting you to love yourself, forgive yourself, and love your water.